I'm Robert Brode. I'm a system specialist with the Energy Service and Sustainability Department. I go building to building. I read a lot of water meters, quite a few electric meters, and a handful of steam meters, and a handful of gas meters on campus. Collecting that data to be turned over to our data analysts. That's how we score buildings' energy efficiency. That goes all the way back to how we purchase utilities. So see if anything looks excessive, not excessive, maybe the meter is hung up. See if anything looks out of whack. We could find maintenance issues. A lot of things have been tapering off due to the lack of people on campus. So a lot of buildings have been not using as much water. On a normal day, I'll pick up anywhere between 35 to 40, roughly about 12,000 paces. When I first took this job, I weighed 225 pounds, and right now I'm about 162. I feel more energetic. I feel good about my job here. I plan on staying here for the duration of my career and up until I retire.